We'll guide you through how to download photos from Google Photos to your gallery on a phone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is convenient to do as perhaps you want to go and have it offline on your device, as there can be different reasons for it. So we're going to guide you through this. I'll just open up my gallery right now. You can see it here, so you can go and see that's my current most recent one. So what you do need to do is go and head into the Google Photos app. I've got it in this Google folder here. So then here we have the photos. Now, there are different ways you can go about this depending upon if you're doing this with one or multiple. Make sure it's this full guide and you can then go and see what's going to go and work best for you. So you need to go and find the photo or photos you want to do this with. Personally for me, I'm going to go and press collections at the bottom, but you can just go and scroll through photos. And then in collections, what I'm going to do here is I've got to scroll down and I found recently added. As I recently went and added some on my computer on Google Photos and now I want to go and get them onto my phone. So make sure you keep watching so you know exactly what you need to do. So you can see I've got quite a few photos here. Now, in some cases, the photos in Google Photos may already be on your phone, and I'll guide you through how you can know that as well. But let's say I wanted to go and get this photo onto my phone. Here it is. So what you need to do is you can then go and press the three dots in the top right, and you'll get this pop-up. Now, if yours says delete from device, this means it's already on your device and it's downloaded and saved. If it isn't, you're going to have the option for download. So what you can do is go and press download like so. It'll go and say downloading, be patient, and it's now complete and it's on the device. I can come out of here and I'll go and open up the gallery and there it is. So you can go and see we've downloaded and saved one there. Now, if we come back to Google Photos, we swipe and press the back button in the top left like this. Then what you can do is go and start selecting some. Let's say I then went and pressed the three dots in the top right, you're going to see there's no download button there, which is annoying. So if you want to do this with multiple, what you need to do first of all is come out of Google Photos. You need to go and open up the Play Store as we do need to get an app. Press search at the bottom and you need to go and type in Files by Google. So this is basically a file management app. It's really useful to have on your device to be fair, but also it means we can go and then get multiple. So what you can do is go and open it up. You'll go and see that it is just a file management app. Now that you've got that, you need to come back to Google Photos. So I'm going to do that now. So you can go and find Google Photos again, wait for it to load. Now you need to go and locate the multiple photos you want to do this with. So in this case, I've got these at the top. So what I'm going to do here is go and start selecting them. I already saved this one, so I'll select a few. I've got 5 here. So of course, having to go through each one of these and then pressing download, it can take a while. So it's much easier to be able to do multiple at one time. So now that we've got them selected, what you want to do is you want to go and head to the top and you need to go and find the share button. It's the dots with the lines connecting them. So you can go and tap there and then you should go and get this pop-up. Now it's going to say about sharing them. And what you want to do is you need to go and find the option for Files by Google. If you can't see that there, what you may need to do is go to the right and press more. And then you can go and see loads of different apps here. And in here, you can press Files by Google and tap there. Then you can go and wait. And now what you can do is go and see they're being downloaded. Now that they've been downloaded, I can come out of here and I can go and open up my gallery and they're going to go and appear in here. As you can see, there they are. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.